whom they are representing. I thank you.
Muthenya wa muthia wa kamiti ya hamwe igie kwamukira mawoni megie utabania wa mogaruruku mawatho-ini ma ithurano. Kamiti ya mihaka na ithurano bururi-ini IEBC kigia na mweke wa kuheana murugamo wao. No ndu uyu ndunakinyanira thutha wa Muikariri giti Wafula Chebukati kuhamurithio ni kamiti ino. Thutha wake gwikinyia wiko na thengia ya IEBC gukorwo yuritio ikinyite kamiti.
I am happy that you actually say that you are ready to call your commissioners so that we are all proceeding together in this matter. And I think the spirit behind these members is because we don't want to conclude this process with suspicion. And it is actually for the betterment of this nation, and indeed the Commission, Bwana Chairman, that we are moving together as a Commission, as a country, so that we move forward and sort out the issues before us.
Going by what is happening in the country and in the Commission, and what we have been told just some few minutes ago, in a weighty matter, the decision of the Commission cannot be made by one person. As we can see, the chair is alone. Even the secretariat. In the absence of the commissioners, the CEO of the commission should be here with him or any other members of staff.
Chebukati ona kuri ouguo mananginyagia thaa imwe cia hwaini wa umuthi. Gucoka kamiti-ini yo ari hamwe na makamicina angi nigetha mathikiririo.
We are coming back to make representations on that. So I think we better wait until we make the representations to the parliamentary committee. Do we need the amendments? Parliament has a right to amend law. The Commission cannot stop Parliament from making amendments to any law or enacting any legislation. And so, where we sit as a Commission, we don't have powers to stop Parliament from making legislation. But nevertheless, that's a parliamentary mandate, and if they make the laws, we shall sit as a commission and decide how to move on.
Hamwe na ouguo kiama kia Jubilee ni hamwe na ikundi iria iheanire mawoni mao kuri kamiti ino. Jubilee ikinyita mbaru kuhitukio kwa mawatho maya.
I don't know whether they are represented here.
EACC na CAK ni imwe cia ikundi iria inginyitire mbaru mawatho maya. Kuria nakio gikundi gia kuruirira ihoto cia muingi KNCHR kireganire namo.
Impact of technology has been evidenced through the capability to deliver results with great efficiency. But having said this, technology is still evolving and remains vulnerable to failure. It would therefore be a prudent strategy to recognize this and cater for complementary mechanisms, and in this way ensure that critical processes such as elections can proceed with adequate backup, ultimately preserving the rule of law.
The ECOWAS protocol on democracy and good governance, supplementary to the protocol relating to the mechanism for conflict prevention, management, resolution, peacekeeping and security of 2001, in Article 2 states, and I quote, "No substantial modifications shall be made to the electoral laws in the 6 months before the elections, except with the consent of a majority of the political actors."
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.